Hey, welcome back Tongue Drive. Today we're diving into something that barely seems real, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome Camper. Yes, Rolls-Royce, the name that stands for ultimate luxury, is now redefining what it means to travel in style. This isn't just an RV, it's a mansion on wheels, and every inch of it feels like a private jet mixed with a royal suite. From the outside, it's an absolute showstopper. The signature Pantheon grille leads the way, with a backlit spirit of ecstasy that rises silently. As you approach, the exterior body is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum with a two-tone mirror finish. The wheels, 24-inch forged alloys with customizable center caps that never rotate, and the starlight strip running across the side glows faintly at night, giving it a celestial presence wherever it parks. Step inside through the automatic butterfly doors and you're immediately surrounded by hand-stitched leather, cashmere headliners, and rich open-pore wood veneers. Every material is selected by the client. We're talking options like crystal accents, custom embroidery, even embedded gemstones if you want to go full royalty. The front cabin features Rolls-Royce's next-gen virtual dashboard with an AI assistant called Eleanor. She handles everything from navigation and weather updates to preheating the shower and making dinner reservations at your next stop. The steering is fully retractable when in autonomous mode, giving you a lounge-like feel up front. In the central lounge, you're greeted by two heated and cooled recliner chairs, a fold-out dining table wrapped in piano black, and a 65-inch hidden old screen that rises from the floor. The audio system is a 360-degree immersive setup by Bespoke Audio, engineered specifically for the acoustics of this cabin. It literally sounds like you're in a recording studio. The kitchen? It's compact but pure Rolls. Marble countertops, soft close cabinetry with lead-lined interiors, induction stove, and a built-in espresso machine calibrated to your exact preferences. There's also a wine chiller with climate zones and a whiskey drawer built into the armrest. Move toward the rear, and you'll find a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress sourced from a Swedish luxury brand. Above it, a starlight ceiling, fully customizable to replicate constellations from any night in history. The bathroom is pure spa luxury. Heated floors, a rainfall shower with a built-in essential oil diffuser, floating marble vanity, and a self-cleaning smart toilet that greets you by name. And yes, it even has a towel warmer and built-in speakers. The price tag? Around $2.2 million. Not for everyone, but then again, this isn't meant for just anyone. This is for the few who believe the journey should be just as opulent as the destination. So tell me, would you hit the road in a Rolls-Royce camper like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you love seeing the future of luxury mobility, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. This is NG, where elegance meets innovation.